Мешает реклама? Жми на крестик в верхнем правом углу.
Que la MPG Cup, recompensando económicamente a la gente al mismo tiempo. La gente que ha encontrado la solución de la MPG Cup alrededor del mundo está compartiendo esta noticia y están haciéndolo en un nivel base, una persona a la vez. Escuche lo que tienen que decir.
If I could share a way with you that you could save money on gas, help the environment, and maybe make a little money, would you want to take a look?
It increases your gas mileage, cleans out your engine, it reduces pollution in the air. I mean, come on, it's a no-brainer.
Everybody wants to save money on their gasoline or diesel. You cannot get from point A to point B without it. Now, how would you like to make money from all of the other people that want to save money on their gasoline and diesel?
And everybody says yes. I mean, it's almost like you're asking people, hey, I got a stupid question for you, but you ask it anyway, and everyone says yes.
Randy Ray y Wendy Lewis, copropietarios de FFI, con más de 40 años de experiencia de negocio, eligieron comercializar este increíble producto a través del bien conocido sistema de mercadeo en red, debido a la efectividad comprobada de la comunicación masiva. El modelo de negocio de FFI está diseñado para aquellos que buscan un negocio en Internet que implique trabajar con personas. La fortaleza que tiene el mercadeo de relaciones es la habilidad de transmitir el mensaje en un nivel personal por medio de juntas, seminarios, convenciones, reuniones caseras y llamadas de conferencia. Con cientos de miles de distribuidores a nivel mundial, FFI ha triunfado donde muchos sectores privados han fracasado. Gracias a su increíblemente fuerte red de distribuidores y a su poder para inspirar y educar a las personas, FFI ha llevado este exclusivo modelo de comercio electrónico al mundo. FFI ahora hace envíos a 215 países y el mensaje se ha traducido a muchos idiomas.
That's why I'm personally involved with FFI. We have an international business that never stops because halfway around the world when we're going to bed, they're waking up. Here's your opportunity if you're looking for an opportunity. That's what FFI, that's what network marketing is all about.
It's an opportunity to expand anywhere in the world because it's something that everybody has to have.
Este es el poder del mercadeo en red. Somos Fuel Freedom International y le brindamos la libertad de trabajar desde su hogar, libertad para pasar más tiempo con su familia, libertad para viajar y libertad para ganar cualquier nivel de ingreso que usted se merezca. FFI ha diseñado un plan de comercialización que recompensa a los distribuidores por sus esfuerzos empresariales.
6 months into the business, I was now debt-free, $65,000 credit card debt. Every week, I'm getting paid. I'm getting checks. This is like 2 weeks ago. I'm getting paid. This is last week's checks. I'm getting paid. And this is like 2 weeks ago before that. Right now, if you add it up, these 3 checks, I can buy a brand new car.
In my last business, it took me 11 months to get to a full-time income. I was able to do that in just 2 weeks with FFI.
I'm now earning more with my FFI business on a part-time basis than I ever earned with my restaurant on a full-time basis.
After my accident in 2003, I was unemployable with a traditional job because I couldn't sit for long periods of time even after the operation, and that's in tremendous financial debt. When I found out about Fuel Freedom International, then I knew there was something that I could do. I have tripled my income since then. It's growing every day, and I don't see it stopping.
About 70% of the city of New Orleans was devastated from Hurricane Katrina. We're forced to live in FEMA trailers, not knowing what the future holds for you. With FFI, is a chance to not only rebuild my home, but to rebuild my life. In 3 short months working part-time, I was able to replace my full-time income with the construction industry. And I've been able to help a lot of my family members and friends out as well.
Making 6 figures, working 6-7 days a week, I've now matched that income, except for I have the freedom to play golf when I want. I can spend time with my family when I want. If I take a week off, I come back, the check's still in the mailbox. I could take 2 weeks off, check's there.
But many times, as a stay-home mom, we lack the opportunity to generate that kind of income to fulfill our dream. But through FFI, I am able to do that, such as building a school for children in Western Samoa to help children. To me, that is the most valuable things that I get out of FFI.
It's hard not to talk about this opportunity because I want everybody that I know to be financially blessed as I have been blessed.
past.
En Fuel Freedom International, nuestros compromisos son el medio ambiente y nuestros distribuidores. FFI es un negocio global próspero con oficinas en Estados Unidos, el Reino Unido, Hong Kong, Japón, Corea, Australia, Brasil, Tailandia, Taiwán, Uganda y México. Y tiene centros de distribución en Perú, Ecuador, Colombia y Noruega. Estamos aquí para apoyarlo y ayudarlo a construir su negocio. Estamos aquí para ayudarle a construir un negocio sólido, pensando de manera global y actuando de manera local.
We believe the right people with the right product together can make a global difference. We invite you to join us. Try the product. See for yourselves the difference that we're all making. Every week, every day, every hour, because every second counts.